But what am I supposed to do? I'm a mother. I love my life. I love being busy. I love working from home. Hi everyone, good morning. It's 6:15 in the morning of Saturday and I'm just wrapping up some of my work. It has been a very long day. 48 hours, 3 hours of sleep lang. So, nakakapagod na talaga. So anyway, ang dumi ng bahay, ang dami nilabhan. Tapos today's family day and tomorrow, meron kami swimming. So it's gonna be very busy day too. But what am I supposed to do? I'm a mother. I love my life. I love being busy. I love working from home. And I'm gonna share with you later. And I'll just perhaps show how busy this day is via my vlog. Hey guys! So it's 7:30 in the evening of Saturday and we just got home from our family date. So yeah, finally, natuloy na siya. And kita naman sa itsura ko, wala pa talaga akong tulog kasi I only had 2 hours of sleep para lang matuloy kasama yung mga bata. So anyway, nagkapagpa-massage kami, foot spa, mani-ped, yeah, I have pretty nails, and dinner. Nakapagpagupit na rin ako ng undercut this week. I'll just put a picture here. So anyway, I hope you guys are having a fantabulous weekend and tagal ko nang walang tulog. So matutulog na talaga ako. Good night. Mwah.